yung binuksan yung pinto, pinalabas yung mga bahay. Hindi naman kayo nagdala ng member of the family. Kasi nakikita natin sa CCTV, nakalabas lang lahat na occupants. So anong intention? Ano ngayon yung wisdom ng batas? Bakit kailangan ninyo magsama ng family member or locality member sa bahay para walang planting of evidence? Kaya kung kayo, may kinuha kayong baril doon sa itaas, wala kayong testigong dinala sa pagkuha yung baril sa second floor, this case will be dismissed again because the interpretation of the law is always in favor of the accused. So, lahat tayo mag-aral. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, maybe just like the Vice Chair of NAPOLCOM, I am bothered by the statement of Lieutenant Colonel Palomo that they can violate the provision of the rules on procedure just to make sure na wala pong tao na babaril po sa inyo. Hindi po ba? Yun ang statement ninyo eh. I think that's wrong because there are other ways of shall we say attaining that. For example, the question is, why would you enter a dwelling without any search warrant yet? Bakit yung pinasok ng dalawa yung bahay? Walang search warrant. Because in the video, the lady was asking whether you have a search warrant or not. You were not able to present a search warrant. So what authority do you have to enter the dwelling of a place, the dwelling of a person, which is sacred and protected by law? Mali yung iniisip ninyo eh. Mali yung proseso na ginagawa ninyo. I do not know if the Vice Chair or the good prosecutor would agree doon po sa ginawa nyo na pwede palang pumasok yung dalawang pulis doon sa bahay without any search warrant when asked by the occupant. Mukhang may mali po doon eh. Dahil ang isip po ninyo dahil baka mabaril. Tapos kung magdadala kayo ng witness, baka mabaril din yung witness, kargado pa ng konsensya ninyo. But there are other ways of attaining that objective. Normally, nung panahon namin, pag sinesearch namin yung lugar at delikado at wala pa yung search warrant, pinapalibutan namin para wala nang makaalis na tao. At pagdating na nung search warrant, which is the authority provided for by law para gawin ko yung dapat kong gawin, that would be the only time that I can enter the dwelling of an individual. So, yun po dapat ang sundin natin. So there's something wrong. That's why I'm bothered doon sa inyong mga statement because it is expressly provided for by law na kailangan pag pumasok ka sa bahay na may bahay, meron ka dapat witness. Hindi nyo po nasunod yun. Pangalawa, pumasok po yung dalawang pulis, according to the video, wala